Today I'm going to talk about masking and mirroring and how this can make it tough to spot autism, particularly in girls. So let's start with masking. Imagine you're at a party where you don't really know anyone. You might act a little bit differently, right? Maybe smile more or nod along even if you don't really get the joke. That's kind of what masking is for some people with autism, but it's not just for a few hours, it's all the time. For many autistic individuals, masking means hiding their true self to fit in. This might mean forcing eye contact, suppressing stims, or mimicking social cues that don't come naturally. It's like wearing a costume that's way too tight, but doing it every day just to blend in. Now let's talk about mirroring. This is when someone consciously or unconsciously imitates the behaviour, speech, or emotions of those around them. Think of it like looking in the mirror and copying what you see. For autistic individuals, mirroring can be a way to navigate social interactions. They might pick up how others talk, their facial expressions, and even their interests, and reflect that back. It's a survival tactic to avoid standing out, but it can also make it really difficult for others to recognise that they're autistic. Here's where it gets especially tricky. Masking and mirroring is often more common in young girls and women with autism. Society tends to expect different things from girls. They're often socialised to be more empathetic, more nurturing, and communicate more. So girls might become experts at masking from a young age, making them even harder to diagnose. Because they're so good at fitting in, their struggles are often overlooked. People might see them as shy, anxious, or quirky, without realising that there's more going on beneath the surface. The problem is, masking and mirroring can be exhausting. It's like playing a role that isn't really you, day in and day out. Over time, this can lead to burnout, anxiety, and even depression. For many, it feels like having to hide their true selves to be accepted, which is incredibly isolating. Autism doesn't always look the way people expect, and we need to be more aware of the signs, especially in girls. If you or someone you know is struggling, it's important to seek support and embrace who you are without the mask. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone else who might benefit from this information. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on neurodiversity. If you'd like to find out more or support the work we do, please visit www.theroxifoundation.co.uk.